Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Here I talk mostly about print-on-demand business, but today will be a video about designer earnings because print-on-demand business is not the only way of earnings that a designer can have, and today I want to talk about a different platform where you as a designer can upload your works and also to earn. If with print-on-demand platforms there is some product that will be printed and shipped to your customer, and in this way your design should look good on some physical product. Here I want to talk about a different marketplace where you can also sell your art, but only as an art, as some illustration, maybe some font, or even some designs for t-shirts. But here the customer will buy your design, not the physical product. And it is quite a good platform to sell because it's not known very much at this moment. It is a quite new platform, so the competition here between different designers isn't so high as on similar platforms, but there are also a good volume of customers, so if you will upload your products, your designs on this platform, you can definitely have your amount of profit, and it is also more simple than in case when you create your own website or trying to sell something by yourself, because it's a marketplace. Yes, of course, it is a commission from this marketplace, Masterbundles, but it's not really high. 50% goes to you and another half goes to Masterbundles. So if, for example, you will have a price of $20 for your graphics, for your illustrations, you can earn $10 from one sale, what is a really good amount of profit in comparison with different print-on-demand platforms, when you can earn from one t-shirt sale something near $4-5 or even less sometimes. So a couple of words about Masterbundles. It is quite easy and friendly to new designers platform where you can upload your works, and here is a quite simple moderation system. After you will upload your designs, your works, moderation will last not a lot of time. Usually it's less than one day, and you can start selling your works, and at the time when you will have $50, you can have a payment from this marketplace to your Payoneer or PayPal account. So it works quite simple. Of course, even in the name of this marketplace, we can find a word bundles, Masterbundles. So it is better to sell here not only one illustration, but some compilation of illustrations, some bundle. For example, if we will search for different bundles that are already available on this platform, we can find this bundle with it's a boy baby showers theme, and as we can see in this bundle you can find a lot of different but quite similar illustrations. All of them are connected with baby shower event, so your customer can use it when he or she will buy it for her celebration and for a baby shower party. Or in other listing we can find 10 different designs that are connected with current situation in Ukraine, with this Zelensky statements and different Zelensky portraits. So they also connected with one topic, but you can find different images and 10 different images also as a bundle. Yes, we can find different niches. We can find not only illustrations, but also some t-shirt designs, also some fonts, some templates and add-ons. So you can sell here different products and earn your part of profit from the sales. And if we'll talk about registration process and uploading process on this platform, it is quite simple. I will not talk a lot about registration because it is straightforward, but if we'll talk about uploading your products, a couple of words what you need to fill here. It is quite similar to different marketplaces, but it works really easy. So even if you don't have an experience in uploading your designs, or you a newcomer to designers sales to different marketplaces, it will not be hard for you to understand what you should do here. First of all, you need to add your product title for Masterbundles. Of course, it should not only describe what you have in this product, but also it will be better if you will use some keywords here. And as from my experience, it is usually working good if you will use some number here, like here with this 10 Zelensky vector t-shirts. Usually listings with numbers, they look better and have greater opportunities for sales. Then you need to upload two preview images, 1100 each side in pixels, and you can look on them here on this listing with this two different previews, or if we'll go to this baby shower listing, we can also find two previews, and your previews will look similar to these variants. Then you of course need to upload your product. It can be uploaded as zip files, and it is quite simple. Any your work that you want to upload can be added to platform in 2 clicks. Then it is a good idea to add some media, some other photos, or some maybe videos about your bundle. We can also find them in different listings, so that your customer will understand what he or she will buy in your listing. And then you can choose your category from fonts to templates or graphics add-ons or something else, and set your price. There are 3 different price variants: personal, commercial, and extended commercial licenses. Of course, personal is only for personal use. About the differences of commercial and extended commercial license types, you can read on Masterbundles, and you can also set an old price, or the price which will be shown, and it will be used in sale promotion. You should also add product description for Masterbundles. It is minimum 150 symbols, and here you should also use different keywords, because this description will be used for your rankings, and if you will use some keywords, you will be ranked higher for needed searches. And also you can add your product tags, and in the bottom of this page you will see how your listing will look like in a search engine. After that you should click publish button, and after a really fast moderation, if it is all okay with your work, with your illustration, it will be available on this platform, and you can start earning your money using Masterbundles. You can also watch this video about how Masterbundles works, and if you will have some questions about registration process or uploading process, you can find your answers also here. So it was my video about Masterbundles, and in my opinion it gives a really good opportunity for sales for designers, because it's a new platform, and you can also find here really good amount of royalties, and it's not competitive but with customers already. So now it is a good time for uploading your works to this platform and earn your money from this platform. That's all for today. Subscribe to the channel. Here I talk about different print-on-demand business topics, and also about selling from your home. So I wish you a good day, and see you in next videos. Bye.